when you look at the current price of Bitcoin, as you can see on my screen right now, it is currently at $43,000. But then guys, little did you know that Bitcoin, when it was launched, started at $0.09. Now come over here on this particular chart, you can see right here that in 2010, Bitcoin was $0.09. And as far back as 2016, 2017, this same Bitcoin was $900. Now imagine for yourself for once that you made purchase of Bitcoin at $900 at least. By now, you'll be celebrating a whole lot because you would have made over $42,000 profit. Now, if you're currently thinking of what $42,000 is worth, then you should think of what 42 million naira can actually buy for you in the market today. Now, this basically shows you how much people can actually profit in the cryptocurrency space if they can actually invest and keep their money over the years. And currently, there is a bull run about happening. Now, you should actually understand that the bull run is actually this particular point in time when the cryptocurrency investors are actually very happy because all of their investments are really going to skyrocket and they actually have a potential of making millions and billions and even more from this very crypto space. Now, you are sitting there and you're wondering, how exactly can I actually get started with investing in cryptocurrency and most importantly start profiting from this particular space? In this particular video today, guys, I actually want to walk you through this very step-by-step guide on how you can actually get started with cryptocurrency and how you can actually start profiting in this very space. Now, when you come over to a website like the CoinMarketCap, here you're going to see several cryptocurrencies that are available in the market. And you can see from Bitcoin to Ethereum, USDT, BNB, XRP, Solana, USDT, Cardano, Dogecoin, and a whole lot of other cryptocurrencies that are in this space. But then when you come over to the right and look at the chart, you can actually see that there are several charts here. A couple of coins that are green right here on their trend, and you can see that this green basically means that they are growing. And at the same time, a couple of others that are showing red, meaning that they're actually losing more value over time. But then when we talk about the bull run in the crypto market world, this is actually a period when the majority of investors are buying. Demand is higher than supply, prices are actually rising, and the market confidence is very high. And most crypto investors currently are actually leveraging on the growth of Bitcoin and using that as a benchmark for the growth of other cryptocurrencies in the market. And this might even be more relatable. When looking at my screen right here, you can see that most crypto execs are actually predicting that the bull run of 2024 is actually going to rise up and get Bitcoin to hit almost $100,000. Now, when we actually say that you have a profit of $42,000 and we are seeing that there is extra $57,000 to be made from this very space, you will actually see more reasons why this might just be the best time to invest in cryptocurrency. But then most people are still speculating cryptocurrency investment or traditional investment. For example, they tell you, oh, come and buy land, put 1 million naira in the land here, and in the next 5 years, you actually are going to get this particular land at 4, 5, 6 million naira, and you can actually keep a profit. But then on the crypto side, they're telling you, come over here, put in 1 million naira in this particular coin, and if you can actually wait for that same 5 years, you can actually get to have your investment earning you over 20, 30, 40 million naira in this very space. Now, when you look at these two instances, you get to realize that it's actually very hard to pick. But then on the crypto side, you can actually get to be assured of three major things. One is the transparency, two is the efficiency, and three is the decentralization of this crypto space. Unlike when you actually have your traditional investment, and there are still a lot of factors you actually need to think about. For example, when government decides to come and take up their land, or you have a particular building as an investment in that particular space, and the government decides to just pull down that particular house. Now, this is not me saying that your crypto investment is better than your traditional investment. Most times, I would usually even liken this to your risk threshold or your risk appetite. How far can you actually take risk? Now, this is exactly what you most likely look out for. Now, even when I'm not a financial advisor, I would always say that the best risk to take is one that you would not greatly be affected by, meaning that you actually invest as much as you can lose in any space. Now, in order to get you started here, CoinX basically have more of like a step-by-step guide that would help any newbie and beginner to get started with investing in the crypto space for themselves. And all you simply want to do is to come over to coinx.com, and in order to get here, you want to use the link I have right down there in the description of this particular video or the pinned comment, the link in the pinned comment, and it's going to bring you over to this particular page. And here you're going to get access to coming over to click on newbie. As a newbie you are, and on clicking on newbie right here, you can see where it says sign up, deposit and trade. But not just that, because you actually want to have some level of understanding before you even delve into this very space itself. Now here you will see a couple of different mini programs that CoinEx will actually take you through. One is how to make deposits, how to buy cryptos, the spot trading tutorials, the financial account tutorials, the future trading tutorials, the swap trading tutorials. All of these tutorials are here and are very available for you to actually take all of them, and you can actually get meaningful insight on how you can actually start trading cryptocurrencies. Now, this particular tutorial right here is all for free, and you can actually get it once you're actually in here signed up on the CoinEx platform. But then you might actually ask, why exactly are they doing this? And you might be thinking, they actually want me to come over to their platform and all. No, not just that. Now, CoinEx basically is currently celebrating their 6th year anniversary of being in the crypto space. Now, having built a business that has lasted for over 6 years, and they've been successful here in this space, they actually saw the need to not just walk beginners through this particular path, but also get them to key in to the opportunities that are available for them with the bull run coming over in the next year. Now, with this particular anniversary, CoinEx has themed it "You Raise Me Up," and trust me, they are raising the stakes with insane bonuses and pricing. And guess what? They've got something special for you. Now, CoinEx isn't just reliable, it is the guiding star for any newbie. With a user-first approach and top-notch services, this exchange is the bridge between you and your crypto success. Now, the crypto bull run is currently knocking on your door, and honestly, you are one of those persons that don't actually want to miss out on this one. To be very honest for myself, I actually started investing in the whole crypto space quite late, but then I would still believe that it is better late than never, because in how late I think I actually started investing in crypto, I was still able to make a couple of profits, and I've been doing so very fine for myself here in this space, even as a beginner here with CoinEx. So what I simply want you guys to do right now is to go ahead and use my link down there in the description and also in the pinned comments and sign up on CoinEx. And first of all, get started with learning how to buy cryptocurrency and the basic beginner process of investing in the crypto world, and over time you can now get your hands on other aspects that actually might sound a little bit more technical. Now, the major thing here is when it comes to investment, most people are like, oh, I'm not a financial advisor and I won't advise you to do this or that, but then we can actually scrap off the fact that having investments in your life in one or two ways are actually one of the best things you can actually do in order to grow your money. And instead of you going ahead to invest all you have, what I would most likely just say is that you can actually invest 5 to 10% of your monthly income or the money you actually have at hand inside this particular space and watch it build over time. Now, this is exactly the same way I've also approached this whole cryptocurrency investment, and you can actually learn from this and pick up exactly what I do so that you can also see how best it can start working for you over time. Now, investment usually is a long-term strategy, and if you can actually leverage on it on a long term, definitely it will pay off, and you too can also start reaping the benefits of investing in the crypto space for yourself. Now, go ahead right now, guys, and jump on this and do well to give me a feedback if you've actually started with this for yourself, and most likely I'll be happy with you that you also did as well. I actually have a WhatsApp community where we share a couple of ideas and we have a couple of discussions around several methods that can actually make you money in the online space. Now, what I want you to do right now as well is to also use the second link in the description to access my WhatsApp community, and with this you're going to be able to join in with me and we can basically just start learning from each other. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this particular video, and with this I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.